In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your unique Xero network key. This is particularly useful for those of you who need to share this key with other Xero users within your network. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Xero account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your personalized dashboard. The dashboard is your command central within Xero, giving you a glance at all the essential information and features available to you. Now, to proceed, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find your organization's name. This is where you can access more settings and organizational details. Click on your organization's name. A drop-down menu will immediately appear, presenting you with various options. From this menu, your next step is to select Settings. This will guide you into a new section where all the configurations available for your organization are displayed. Navigating through the settings might seem a bit overwhelming at first, with numerous sections and options cascading before you. But for our purposes today, we need to focus our attention specifically on the Purchases section. Once you locate Purchases, click on Xero to Xero. This is an essential feature if you're looking to seamlessly interact with other organizations using Xero. As you click through, a new page unfolds in front of you, detailing all the information related to your inter-organizational settings. Here, you'll find your unique Xero network key prominently displayed next to the label, Your Xero Network Key. This key is your organization's digital ID within the Xero environment, crucial for connecting and interacting with other Xero users. To easily share this network key with others, Xero provides a handy copy button right next to your key. When you press this button, the system will automatically copy the key to your clipboard, ensuring you can paste it conveniently wherever needed, saving you from the hassle of manually writing it down or risking any errors. Keep in mind, though, that this key is sensitive information, so be mindful of where and with whom you share it, safeguarding your organization's data and maintaining privacy at all times. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to locating and copying your Xero network key. With this guide in your toolkit, you can confidently share your account's connection credentials, enabling smoother collaboration within your network. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Have a great day navigating Xero.